Currently driving home from the Home Depot. I've got some wood in the back, some dowels rolling around. My buddy Mike is going to help me put this thing together tomorrow. It's a little bit loud in here. It's a little bit cold. The window open isn't helping absolutely anything. And it smells like ethanol. All I can smell is ethanol coming in through that back window, which is, you know, E85 life. I just got done with a couple projects in here that I figure this is a good time to give a little walk around of everything. So this is soy-based plywood. You give up a little bit of the structural integrity, if I can pronounce that. Structural? Yeah, structural integrity. Just so you don't have formaldehyde. I already work around enough deadly chemicals. I figure I don't need it. These were on sale because they're, as you can tell, this is just about the straightest wood in the world. But I only need it for pieces that are, you know, a couple feet long, so that doesn't matter. The Escalade is a 2012. It's an ESV Platinum. It's got new lifters in it. One of them's already making noise, of course, but the guy I bought it from did the lifters. Lifters this year are junk. You can't really get decent lifters, at least for any kind of reasonable price. This thing, like I said, 180,000 miles on it. Nothing too crazy, but it's going to do what I want it to do. So I couldn't really find a van within my price range that was four-wheel drive. I'm giving up on 4Low because this is an all-wheel drive setup, but I think it's going to do just fine. And the shop right now is a complete mess. I just got done with a couple of jobs that kind of, I guess for a better way to say this, they didn't go so smoothly just because I was waiting on parts, waiting on this, waiting on everything, and I just got done tearing this thing apart. So there's random parts and my bed for it. I got a twin mattress for it, memory foam, and then there's the other solar panel. I'm waiting until I get another top brace on here. I need another crossbar. I'm mounting them to this. I kept breaking drill bits going into that just because of the angles in there, like inside of this tubing. So I got some shorter self-tapping screws, and then they're only going to go through the top layer of metal and not through both of them. So I think that should take care of that issue. But honestly, like, if you weren't looking for it, you wouldn't really know that someone was living in this thing. So I'm going to get the windows tinted a little bit darker. My buddy Chris is going to do that. But for now, this is it. Nothing too crazy. We've got some extra help from our friend Bonanza today. She's out here. She knows exactly what she's doing. She's a pretty good dog. She's been to a couple of states with me, I think maybe 7 states now. She's going to be doing a little road tripping with me, and I'm sure she's excited for that. 1 second. Come here. Come here. All right, now go build the platform for my bed. Pretty please? Will you please do that for me? No? Okay, thank you. But anyway, I'm going over to my buddy Mike's tomorrow and gonna see what we can get done on this. In the meantime, I've got a master cylinder and a fuel pump and a couple other things to do on that. I gotta get a quote done for that. I've got to get literally everything in here done. I want to have everything done in here in the next like 2-3 months. So we're getting there, but we'll see how it goes. I'm over here at Mike's, and he's helping me out on this thing. We're getting the bed support in, and yeah, this is where we're at. Nothing too crazy. I feel like I need to get good like this guy at making videos. I'm not there yet. I don't have the experience, but maybe over time.
It all comes with practice.
Yeah, exactly. But this is where we're at. So I just wanted to give a shout out to Mike for helping me on this thing. It's a little bit sunny out. It's cold out too. It's really cold. But here's the finished product. It fits. Got a decent amount of storage in here, and apparently the noise of opening and closing this has freaked out Miss Bonanza, so we had to put a divider that she's stuck up front. There's a lot of room up here, plenty of room to sit in this, and I think it should all work out pretty well. Yeah, like we were saying, definitely maybe some smaller hinges. Then I have to brace this up here at the front because the floor is not quite level. But other than that, I think we're all ready to go. The inconspicuous camper has made a pretty big step up.
The classy camper.
It's campable. The Cadillac.
The Cadillac.
The Cadillac. But yeah, it's coming together pretty well. What you doing? Leaf blowing all the sawdust out?
Attempting.
Small update time. Short leg update time. Let me rephrase that. This is about how this is going. I've got that side propped up. I can open up each side individually pretty easily. Got that on there. Then I'm going to make something more, I guess, legit than this prop rod, because this doesn't seem like the safest thing in the world. I don't know what I'm going to use. I might use, I don't know. Mike had the idea of using hood props. Might do that. Might see what I can come up with. I also like the little latches that kind of, I can't even think of the words that, yeah, you know what I'm talking about. It's like a latch, comes out like this, it's V-shaped, it kind of goes like that, and when it goes out straight, clamps together so you can lock it. I could put one in the middle, put one on each side. Either way, it should be sturdy enough, but that's where it's at. And the nice thing is, you know, when I'm somewhere where we got some good weather, got some tuning, excuse me while I crawl in here. I can just sit here. I've got a nice little backrest, super comfortable. And instead of this being a dirty shop and a really badly insulated door, I'll have a beach. Maybe not even a beach. It might be the mountains. Instead of whatever this, kind of a killer animal over here. Instead of whatever that is, basset hound, if you may. Might have a bear that's trying to eat me. That sounds pretty cool. But that's where we're at on here. I'm pretty excited about this. I still have a ton of room. I have space for stuff over here. I still have, you can't really see, it's dark. I should have done something better with lighting. Like I said, I'm learning. I'm gonna get better at this video stuff as I go. But I've got cup holders there. I've got matching cup holders over here. I can still get to the factory floor jack that is underneath here if I have to take a tire off. Once it's lifted, that's going to be pretty much useless. But in the meantime, I think this is a pretty cool setup. I'm excited for it. This is really comfortable. If I wasn't sliding down because of this plastic wrap that I left on the mattress, it would be even better. But yeah, I'm going to have to play around with some of this, see if I can put a couple different settings. I don't know, maybe I could put a TV on the ceiling. I don't really watch TV. I don't even have a TV in my house. Everything I do is on my phone, but and then if I really want to, I can prop up that side just the same, and I can look forward, or, you know, as Mike was saying, he's like, you could watch one of your 4 DVD screens. Just total overkill. 2012 was wild for GM. All of that. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4 screens in this thing. And you know what it doesn't have? Bluetooth. And you know what? There sure was Bluetooth in 2012. All of my friends had it on their, you know, like $80 Sonys that were put in things, but factory Cadillac, they didn't like that. Yeah, so anyway, I'll keep you updated on progress. So, I get to enjoy what I've built, but you know who gets to enjoy what I've built more than I get to enjoy what I've built? This one, right here. Bonanza. That was your bed. Is that your bed? Did you claim it today? Yeah. She claimed it, so I guess it's not my bed anymore. I have to build my own vehicle. That's how it goes sometimes.